Welcome to our channel. Setting up autopay with Wells Fargo is a convenient way to ensure your bills are paid on time. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Step 1. Log in to your Wells Fargo online banking account by visiting wellsfargo.com. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Bill Pay section from the main menu. If you haven't enrolled in Bill Pay before, you'll need to complete a quick registration process. Step 3. Click on Add Payee to set up the company or service you want to pay automatically. Enter the payee's name and your account number with them. Step 4. Verify the payee information is correct. Wells Fargo may take 1 to 3 business days to confirm the payee before you can schedule payments. Step 5. Once the payee is confirmed, select the payee from your list and click on Autopay or Set Up Automatic Payments. Step 6. Choose the payment amount. You can select Pay Fixed Amount if it's the same each month, or Pay Full Balance for bills that vary. Step 7. Select the payment frequency and start date. Options typically include monthly, quarterly, or custom schedules based on your needs. Step 8. Choose which Wells Fargo account the payments should come from. Make sure this account has sufficient funds to cover the automatic payments. Step 9. Review all the details of your autopay setup carefully, then click Submit or Confirm to activate automatic payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.